Hello guys. Hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students appearing for competitive exams like CFFRM and SCR to prepare in a better manner and clear the exam. I've given the SCR exam in November 2022 and I've been able to clear the exam. I'm going to share with you few of my learnings from the exam. The first learning, very very important learning, is that whatever we see as a content for the SCR exam, the exam is going to be one notch above. Okay, so there is carb sample paper available, but it is going to be one notch above that sample paper, the actual exam. Why is it so? Because they want to test you on the understanding basis, they want to test you on your conceptual level basis. So this is the clarity that they need from the candidate. So GARP, which is also conducting FRM exam, they are famous for testing candidates on application based things. Okay, the second very important learning that I got is that when I was preparing, I realized initially that it's only seven chapters or eight chapters. But in reality, when you start reading, it is going to take a lot of time because the content you might not be familiar with, you might not be working on the similar content. So that will create a problem for you to read the content. Okay, and the interesting part is when you read the content for seven, eight chapters, okay, eight chapter for 2023 now, you will not remember the content because you will have to read it three times. So a lot of people who are underestimating the exam, stating that it's only seven or eight chapters and I'll prepare in 1 month, they will find it tough. So please make sure that you have at least 2 months of dedicated preparation, okay, for the this because you have to read it two or three times. You also have to solve the questions related to chapters and then the mock papers also. That is a second major observation that I found. The third thing, which primarily helped me in my preparation, is that when I was reading for this first time, I started creating my own notes. Okay, now how did this help me? All the specific information which was available in the GARP book, okay, I had captured that in my notes, and because of which, what happened? Those notes helped me during the last 5 days of my preparation. I was able to cover the entire book or entire chapter in a very fast manner. Also, what I did was I highlighted all the important lines in each chapter so that when I have to come back, I know which line to focus on, along with the summary sheet that I had created, a summary PPT that I had created for my preparation. The fourth point, which I feel which is a problem right now for a lot of students, is that there is very low number of question bank available for the SCR exam because exam is very new. So because there is low number of question bank, you do not get an opportunity to test yourself, and because of that, you are not exam ready. Okay, so that is one challenge that I also faced. But what I did is I solved GAP paper two or three times to make myself comfortable with the exam pattern. Okay, and finally, one thing that I would like to highlight is that do not underestimate the content of the exam. Okay, even though the size number of chapters are less, the content is deep. Okay, it will test you on the geographical aspect of the climate risk, your sustainability aspect of it, regulation related aspect of it. So it requires constant dedication from your side as a student. Okay, I hope this video is helping you in your preparation. If you do like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family for preparing for the exam. Thank you.